Welcome to Seesaw Cosmology, the geometry of sleep. This video will explain sleep through asymmetric celestial oscillations and high-frequency Lissajous effects. Mainstream cosmology relies on Earth's rotation for circadian syncing. Stationary models incorrectly rely on non-mechanical external forces, creating a cosmological gap regarding why we sleep in a stationary universe. The celestial seesaw theory proposes that the sun arm forces a rise of day, and the moon arm forces a drop. Humanity is physically bound to ride this cycle of celestial imbalance at the fulcrum. Sleep is mechanical, not biological. At everyday oscillation speeds, the swift drop of the moon arm forces a perceptual crash at the fulcrum. This mechanical downswing aligns with reduced environmental stimulation, enforcing the blackout phase we interpret as sleep. The Z-effect and Lissajous curves describe how high-speed oscillation projects the fulcrum's trajectory into a 2D perceptual plane, forming parametric Lissajous figures. High finite speeds produce geometric patterns of consciousness based on the number of celestial arms. Decoding the geometry of realms involves three main components. N is the number of celestial arms. Xt and Y of t are the projections of the resulting parametric curve. Frequency ratios determine the shape, where rational ratios create closed loops and irrational ratios create chaotic fills. In the n=1 sun-only realm, the shape is a simple linear segment, resulting in minimal sleep impact. Inhabitants experience eternal twilight vigilance, with evenly distributed microsleeps. The n=2 sun plus moon realm is our current reality, forming a single reinforced loop. Sleep is intensified with deep, consolidated 24-hour cycles with a sharp night dip, leading to vivid dreams. The n=3 hidden arm realm, with 1:2 frequency ratios, forms a twisted three-lobed knot. Sleep is irregular and polyphasic, with deep sleep blurring without clear boundaries. The n=4 complex realm forms a grid mesh, or eight-pointed flower. Sleep impact is chaotic, forcing constant low-amplitude cycling between wake and dream. Consolidated sleep vanishes entirely. The geometry of consciousness illustrates that as the complexity of the curve, n, increases, the fragmentation of sleep also increases, blurring day-night distinctions into a woven texture of consciousness shifts. Sleep is a pure, inescapable geometric projection of celestial asymmetry. By adding or subtracting arms, the modular seesaw dictates the shape of existence. In unseen realms, consciousness assumes entirely new geometries.